Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Voice Memos app to see recorded audio clips. The app lists recordings by date, duration, and location if available. Tap a memo to play, then use the Share button to export. You can trim recordings directly inside the app if you need a shorter file. Voice Memos sync with iCloud if you enabled Voice Memos sync. If you do not see a recording, check your recently deleted folder for recovery. You can rename items to make future searches faster and clearer. Open the phone app and tap Voicemail to view carrier voicemail files. Voicemail messages may include audio files you can save or share. If you recorded a call using a third-party app, open that specific app to find the audio. iPhone does not include native automatic call recording features, so searches in phone will not locate app recordings. Use third-party apps or carrier services to record calls legally, and check their export folders in Files or the app itself. Search the Files app in iCloud Drive for exported audio files. Use the file search bar and type file names, extensions like M4A, or keywords. Screen recordings save to photos when you use the built-in recorder, and Photos groups them in the Recents and Videos albums. You can also enable Spotlight search to find recordings by file name or metadata. If you still cannot find a file, check the recently deleted folders in both Files and Photos. Export or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.